Hello YouTube. Tonight I want to show you how to find the center of a circle, the Euclidean way, and also the center of a triangle. Now if the circle thing sounds familiar, it's because I've done this before, but now I have vastly improved techniques for videoing my AutoCAD screen. So I've decided to do it again. Alright, so here we have a circle, and I'm going to draw a chord. A chord is a line from somewhere on the circle to anywhere else on the circle that does not go through the center. That would be a diameter. So once we draw this chord, we draw a circle whose center is one end of the chord and whose radius is the other. And then we do the same thing in the opposite direction. The center is the opposite end of that chord and the radius is the other end. Now we draw a line where these two new circles intersect. And just to keep things simple and clean, we're going to erase the two red circles. Now we repeat the same process somewhere else on the circle. Another chord that goes from some point to some other point on the circle. We're going to draw two more circles the same way. And then we're going to draw a line from where these two new circles intersect. And for the same reasons, we're going to clean up and get rid of those. So now, where these two perpendicular bisectors of the two chords intersect is the center of the circle. And here's what I forgot to do last time, is prove it. There's the center of the circle. And if I draw a new circle, you can see it. You can see very clearly that these circles share the same center. Okay, now we're going to find the center of a triangle. Here's a triangle. It can be any shape. It doesn't have to be a right triangle. It doesn't have to be equilateral. It doesn't have to be isosceles. Any shape. You draw a line from one point, the points of the triangle, to the midpoint of the opposite side. Do that 3 times from all 3 corners to the midpoint of the opposite side. Actually, this is enough, but just to prove that it works, we're going to go from this one to the midpoint of this opposite side. Now, I'm going to do some judicious trimming here of lines, I think. Let's trim out that one. And we'll trim out this one and this one. Now, you see I have 3 triangles. If I do the area, I can't zoom in on my command line, you won't be able to see this, but if I calculate the area, which is very simple, easy to do in AutoCAD, of each of these triangles, they are precisely the same, which means the area of this equals the area of that equals the area of this. So the center of mass, the center of gravity, the center of this triangle is found thus. So there you have it. Center of a triangle, center of a circle. I hope that's helpful to somebody. You never know when you have some round thing that you need to find its center. This is a good way to do it rather than just taking your best guess. All right, everybody. God bless you. I love you all. Have a good night and stay safe out there, okay? Bye-bye.